Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete extensions on Google Chrome. So in order to do this, it's really easy. All you need to do is go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the puzzle icon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the extension we want to delete. For example, this one, the color picker eyedropper. I don't want it anymore. So in order to delete the extension, I just click on these three dots here, right here, more actions, and simply click on remove from Chrome. Now what it's going to ask me, it's going to ask me if I want to report it for abuse. You probably don't want to do it, but simply just click on remove now, and we can now see that my extension is removed, and we can also get some more information right here. Some extensions will give you an extra pop-up and some don't. However, you have now deleted it, and you can sometimes get some surveys, but that's not necessary, of course. And now if I go back to my extensions, we can see that my extension is gone. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.